Starting a business from home, here's what you are doing wrong. Starting a business from home is not as simple as it sounds, but it can be done right if you know the steps. Many people get stuck in the idea phase, never take the plunge because they are overwhelmed by the process and unsure where to start. Step 1. Pick the right business idea. You have got to choose something that's both profitable and aligns with your skills or passion. Don't just jump on trends. Research market demand first. A common mistake is starting with what you want to do instead of what customers need. Number 2. Start with low overheads. Avoid heavy investments upfront. You don't need a fancy office or an equipment to get started. Use what you already have. The key to success is low cost scalability. Step 3. Get your legal stuff in order. It might sound boring, but it's crucial. Register your business and set up taxes properly from day one. One simple mistake here: forgetting to protect your personal assets. Number 4. Build an online presence. Even if you are running a small business from home, you need a digital footprint. A basic website and active social media accounts will make you stand out. 60% of the consumers research online before buying. Number 5. Automate and outsource. Maximize your time by using tools to automate tasks like invoicing and marketing. Outsource the work you are not an expert in to save time and money. Now is the time to stop overthinking and start doing. Hit subscribe and let's build that business one step at a time.